you're experiencing FPS drops in Apex Legends, calibrating your settings can help improve performance. Follow these steps to optimize your game for a smoother experience. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Go to the game's settings menu and lower the graphics settings. Start with options like texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can significantly improve FPS. Step 2. Update drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can enhance performance and stability. Step 3. Close background applications. Before launching Apex Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources, allowing the game to use more CPU and RAM for better performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better gaming performance. Set your power plan to high performance, disable game mode, and ensure that Windows is up to date to benefit from performance improvements. Step 5. Monitor hardware performance. Use software tools to monitor your CPU, GPU, and RAM usage while playing. This can help identify any bottlenecks or overheating issues that may be causing FPS drops, allowing you to address them accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your settings and reduce FPS drops in Apex Legends, leading to a more enjoyable gaming experience.